2. I just finished portage number 4. It was about half a K, and I crawled into the bush here so I can have a lunch break. I'm going to have some flatbreads with some dry sausage and some cheese, and follow that up with peanut butter and jelly. So looking forward to that. So far so good. Bit of a rough section here. That is a mud bath. I guess it's been a wet summer, and whew, this is a low-lying area. Gotta be careful because these rocks are dead slippery. Oh, play hopscotch on the rocks. Oh yeah, that's mucky. Woo! Oh yeah. The extra weight of the canoe and the pack, I figure it's about 80 pounds altogether. Canoe is just under 50, pack's around 30. But it makes a difference when you're walking. You sink a little further and you slip a little harder. But it's all good. It's all good. We're getting to the end of this one. So I'm out on Misty Lake now. This is the last lake of the day. It's where I'll be staying. I don't know if you can tell, but the wind's picked up a little bit. You know, it's a little bit choppy out here. Not bad, but it's a big lake. It's the biggest that I've been on today, and they tend to get more wind, I find. So, just about finished day 2's journey. Can you hear that? That's thunder. Yeah, it started to rain pretty good. Thunder and lightning. It's loud. I don't know if the camera picks it up. But I had to get off the water. So I'm about 1 kilometer short of where I wanted to be. I'll make do. First thing I'm going to do is set up a tarp, get a nice dry area going, maybe start a fire if I can find dry wood. We'll see how that works out. And then just get settled. Change out of these wet clothes. Home sweet home. Well, when we last saw Paul, there was a raging thunderstorm going on. It's 4.5 hours later, and there's still a raging thunderstorm going on. This must be the mother of all thunderstorms. Anyway, that's life. Can't complain. Part of camping at Algonquin, I guess. So I've kind of run out of things to do. I've made coffee, made dinner, brushed my teeth. I think I might actually go to bed early. There's not much else to do. All right, things are getting a little freaky. I'm protected under the tarp, but holy smokes, that thunderstorm is like right over my head. Hello! Well, day 3. It was a rough night last night. The thunderstorms kept going long and hard, and it rained well into this morning. I actually just stayed under the canopy most of the morning, made breakfast, went back to bed for a little while. My temperature dropped, right? Your core temperature, and I thought, I'm going to go back to bed. Warmed right up in a good half hour, 45 minutes. So now I'm up, and I think I got a window of opportunity to leave here. I'm going to head on down the road, the river, and get to the next camp. So here we go. Day 3. Hi, Misty Lake. Hello, Petawawa River. This is going to take me on a kind of winding route down to Grassy Bay and then into Trout Lake, where I'll be staying for the night. And we start with a portage. Woohoo! Now here's something really cool. I want to show you this. Look at that. Those are gigantic blades from the logging days, I guess. This is my kind of canoeing. This guy on the Petawawa. It's a beautiful little river. So much, I don't know what the word is, more comfortable than lakes. And there's a current. There's a current pulling me down. So a bit of a free ride today. The sun is trying to break out, and there are no bugs. So just finished portage 3 on the Petawawa, and I thought I'd stop for lunch. It's about 2 p.m. and I'm getting hungry. So here's what I'm doing for lunch today and every other day, well, except for tomorrow. Flatbread and dry sausage, then some cheese. I found the hard cheese will stay okay for a week. And then on another one, I'm going to have some jam, peanut butter. Oh, and this goes on the sausage. That's mustard. Mustard doesn't need refrigeration. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, and there's the knife. Don't forget a knife. It's really hard to get it out of these containers without this knife. I made it. Trout Lake. This is as far as we go. As deep as we go into the jungle of Algonquin. I'm not in the Amazon. Algonquin. I pulled a Paul there. Anyway, you see surprisingly few white birch around here. The bark, you know, is, yeah, it's amazing. It'll help you light your fire. So, I've been searching around for white birch, and I found one. Oh, I'm going to try and get some and bring that to the campfire tonight, which is somewhere on this lake.